In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Steam to Startup. If you like having your game library, chat, and updates ready the moment your computer boots, this quick tweak will save you time and keep everything up to date in the background. It's simple, reversible, and takes less than a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. You can launch it the way you normally do, through your desktop shortcut, your Start menu on Windows, or your Applications folder on Mac OS. When Steam opens, make sure the main window is visible so you can access its menus. Look to the very top left corner of the Steam window for the menu labeled Steam. Click that to open a small drop-down menu. From there, choose Settings. This is the central place where Steam keeps all of its app preferences. Depending on your version or operating system, the wording will still be Settings, and it will open a panel with categories on the left and options on the right. In the Settings panel, find and click on Interface. The interface section controls how Steam behaves and appears, including options for language, theme, and how the app starts up. Once you're in Interface, look for the option that says, Run Steam when my computer starts. You'll see it as a checkbox or a toggle switch. Turn this on so that it's enabled. This tells Steam to automatically launch itself whenever your computer boots, so you don't have to remember to open it manually. After you've switched that on, confirm your change by clicking OK at the bottom of the settings window. Clicking OK saves your settings and closes the panel. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and turn the option off just as easily. From now on, the next time you restart your computer, Steam will launch on its own. Depending on your other preferences, it may open to your library or appear minimized in your system tray or menu bar. This is helpful if you want your downloads, updates, and friends list ready as soon as you log in. Keep in mind that any program set to start with your computer uses a bit of system resources during boot, so enabling only what you truly need can help your startup stay snappy. And that's it. You opened Steam, went to the Steam menu in the top left, selected Settings, clicked Interface, turned on Run Steam when my computer starts, and confirmed with OK. You're all set for a smoother start to your gaming sessions.